Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new item from Teami Blends to show you guys and to review. That is this baby right here. Do you want to see what this is all about and how this works? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I have a brand new product that Teami Blend is now launching. Today is the launch date. Today at 9 a.m., this baby launches. So I cannot find the price on their website just yet, but I will link it right here so you guys will know how much this baby is before my discount. Teami Blend did send me this to review, so thank you so much, Teami Blends, for sending me this product so I can review it and show my viewers. Apparently, about a year or two ago, they did launch the MIXit, the first original one, and after they completely sold out, they revamped it, added some cool new features, and now just relaunched it as the 2.0 with the new features. So today is the very first day that this bad boy is available, and if you order this month, you can use my code SheCrafty20 to save 20% off. But my code SheCrafty15 is always available if the 20 is no longer active, if you order it next month or something like that. But this month only, SheCrafty20 will get you 20% off your order of $24 or more. But today I'm going to be reviewing this. I'm going to show you what this does. I'm going to actually make a smoothie in here and we're going to check this out. I'm super excited because this is a portable blending smoothie healthy drink making device and it's portable, and we're going to figure this out right now. So here is the actual packaging. Again, it is the MIXit. This one is the black and white. They have it in two different colors. They have it in black and white, and they have it in white and baby pink, and it does go over the different features and everything on here. It talks about how it comes together. This is just such a cool invention. I never in my wildest dreams would have thought they would make a portable blending smoothie drink maker, but they've done it, you guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what this baby can do. I'm so excited. I love Teami Blends and all of the different things that they have. They have an amazing skincare line even, and I just love, they come out with new things all the time, and it's just, it impresses me. So it does come with the USB charger, so you can charge it. It does have a 4 to 6 hour battery life span without being charged. But you could always charge this on the go. You can even charge this in your car if you have the adapter. You can charge it anywhere. That's awesome. And you can blend anywhere. So it does come with this little booklet right here, and it will go over all of the different, how you can take it apart, probably the cleaning instructions, that kind of thing is all inside of this book. Let's get to this. Dun, 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 dun. Ah! How cute. Such a really neat looking design though. Look at that. Take that in, you guys. And this is a glass jar. That's one thing that she's priding herself on, making this design, because this is the only one out there as of now, unless somebody bites their style, but as of now, they are the only one that has the glass jar. This is a glass container. Now it does have the strap. This is a rubber strap that you can put around your wrist. You can hold it, or you can actually remove it if you do not want it on there, but it is kind of cool just so at least you can carry it with it if you wanted to hold on to it. There is this little button right here. When you press that, the lid pops up and you can drink from here, or you can remove the top of the lid and drink from the inside, but I would drink from the top, or I'm going to drink from the top. But here is the actual opening. There's the blending blades, and then here is the top. It does have the seal to seal it together, and I really like that design. That's a new thing that's on this 2.0, is this drinking opening apparatus, how you can open the lid. This is the new, on the new launched version. I guess it wasn't on the first version, so that's a really cool new feature that they added. And so it does have the Teami logo on there. And then here is like the base, the blending base. And I'm going to assume by the pictures, this comes apart as well. Yes, okay. So here's how you can take it apart to clean it. This still probably comes looks like it comes apart even more. Yes, so you can actually even remove the bottom portion as well. I don't know why we would want to, but it looks like it can come apart. Yeah. It's blinking at me. So it can come apart like that. And then right underneath this button, if you can see that little opening, you open this and that's where you put your charger in to charge it. And if you don't want to use this charger, you can use any like Samsung charger. And that can go right in there. And then you put this on. So that's a cool way that it comes apart because then you can clean it. So then you drop your stuff in here, and this could be used, it doesn't have to just be for smoothies, you guys. If you want to go ahead and like make flavored water and you want to put some fruit in there and mix it up, if you would like to do protein shakes, or you just want to have healthy drinks, or if you want to mix up baby food even, you can do anything inside of here. It doesn't have to be for a smoothie, but it's a portable blender. You can be driving in traffic and you're like, I want my drink. And you can, while you're driving, you can sit at your desk and you can blend it. And the neat thing, it stays all compact. So if you were to blend it, and let's just say you got busy for a second and it started to kind of separate the smoothie stuff inside, all you have to do is just 30 more seconds and you have it all blended again and fresh, and you drink it. So I do really love this concept. I think this is an amazing, amazing concept. It's a wonderful design. I really do like it. And it's not too heavy. You would think with the motor down here and a glass jar, it would be really heavy. It's not too heavy. It's not like, oh my gosh, I wouldn't want to carry this around. It's not that heavy. And I really like this design. That is really neat, you guys. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna pause here. I'm gonna go wash this baby up. I'm gonna add some stuff in here, and we're going to blend this up and we're gonna see how it works. Let's just push the button now though without anything in there. Let's see. Does it? Maybe I need to charge it. That scared the shit out of me. It's on. So to turn it on, you just double click this button, and on the instructions it says you may shake the MIXit while it's mixing to create more flavor. So you do a double tap and then you can shake it up. You can do whatever while it's mixing. You guys, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, I gotta go clean this, you guys. I gotta go clean this because I want to use this right now. So hold on. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I washed this. I added in some fruit, like from frozen, it's like a frozen kit that I bought, and I added in some juice. I've never made a smoothie before, so we're gonna find out. So one thing I wanted to point out, when I stuck this on my counter when I was getting ready to clean it, I noticed it had like all this, it stopped. Like I was like, what? And I looked, it has this little ring around the bottom that is like a slip resistant. So it stays put. So you don't have to worry about it sliding off. I think that's an amazing feature as well. So now that I have my stuff in here, let's go ahead and try this out. Ready? I'm scared. Are you ready? Wow. That blended it like, oh my goodness. So let's give it a try. Pop the top. There we go. We have a smoothie, people. Holy moly. One button, 30 seconds. We have a blended smoothie on the go. This is amazing. I'm gonna definitely take this to work because I did bring my magic bullet to work so I can make my protein shakes and that kind of thing. This is such an easier concept, and it's on the go and it's portable. I love this thing. I'm definitely bringing this to work and bringing my magic bullet home to retire. Okay, you guys, so I brought my brand new Teami MIXit to work today. I'm going to mix up my protein shake. I already have my ice in there, my almond milk, and my protein powder and peanut butter powder because I love me some peanut butter. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on. Okay, I think this is mixed up just enough. And then you pop the top. But with mine, I think I'm going to just put a straw in there because you can do that as well. So I'm going to stick a straw in my thing. And it's blended perfectly. And then if you ever need to blend anymore, you press the button, you can blend it some more. I love my peanut butter chocolate shakes. So I definitely brought this to work, and this is where I'm going to be using this. I think this is just an amazing invention because you get a blend on the go without having any cords. So thank you so much, Teami Blends, for sending me this amazing product to try out and to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. This is an amazing new item that they've added to their website amongst all the other amazing products that they do have to offer. Don't forget, this month, SheCrafty 20, you can get 20% off. Every other time, SheCrafty 15 will work just as fine. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. I am so glad that I was able to review this for you guys. A brand new concept, a brand new design, a brand new product just launched today. Oh my. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link them down below. Use my code to save that money off. Let me know down below in the comment section what you thought about this. Have you seen this? Have you heard of anything like this before? Let me know what your thoughts are. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, just like I appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.